Hawaii's Kilauea volcano is now having an impact 6,400 kilometers away.
The U.S. territory of Guam is warning people with respiratory problems to stay inside because of the haze. It's a fair way to Guam. Think about that. In Hawaii itself, fast-moving lava threatening to trap people in parts of the Big Island. CNN's Miguel Marquez live in Pahoa in Hawaii. Extraordinary pictures we saw today of the lava flow going into the ocean. What's the latest from where you are, my friend?
Yeah, it is incredible. That lava is still flowing, and essentially what's happened is that for a couple of days we had a reprieve from that lava flowing quite as much, but what was happening was giant lava pools were forming. The dam on those pools broke late last night, and then we had several fissures all at once become active again. Lava pouring into areas that have already seen a lot of lava pouring into them. The geothermal plant that has been a worry here, it may get cut off by lava, the road to it, and one of the main roads here, 132, may get cut off. Kilauea, which is about 20-25 miles away from where we are, about 40 kilometers from where we are right now, it had one of its biggest eruptions yet, sending ash about 15,000 feet into the air. Bianca, Michael?
And Miguel, we're hearing about the people with respiratory problems having to stay inside because of the environment that this volcano is creating. So talk to us about the other effects, other than this incredible lava and the very obvious images that we're seeing, the other effects that this has on people and the surroundings.
Air quality is certainly a concern. The trade winds sort of shifted toward Puna and toward Hilo, which is much more populated areas, but now it's going to start shifting back, so that is good news for folks. One thing that they're seeing because of these fountains of lava that they're seeing shooting up 200 feet, they're seeing something called Pele's hair. Pele is the volcanic goddess to Hawaiians, and Pele's hair is basically glass that is like spider's webs that comes off those fountains and then floats literally for miles all along and can sort of, it's like needles basically coming down on top of you. So that's a concern for people in this area. What is also sort of stunning about all this, I mean, we're about a half mile from the exclusion zone here, and it is life as normal in places like Pahoa and places right around the exclusion zone. So it is something that people here deal with every day, and they just hope it stops soon. Back to you guys.
Wow, absolutely. I mean, just looking at the video, as you've been speaking there, Miguel, just watching the video again, lava creeping down the roads, pouring into the ocean. Unbelievable.
And hearing those descriptions of
mesmerizing.
Shattered glass, essentially, nailing down.
Exactly. Follow Miguel on Instagram, folks, because he's posting some good stuff too. Good to see you, mate.
You got it. Thank you.
In southern India, thousands of devotees are celebrating an annual festival honouring their village deity.
Worshippers offer coconuts to the god by, yes, throwing them at a wall. This is a centuries-old tradition. Devotees pack the streets as a shrine is carried around the temple 4 times. I don't know what to make of that. I mean, I just hope they're a good shrine.
I'd like to partake in that at least once. Stand in the back, yes, or wear a helmet.
Yes, exactly.
I'm Bianca Nobile.
I'm Michael Holmes. World Sport coming up next. We will see you tomorrow.